Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming exact game and system details so you don't chase the wrong fix. Check your GPU driver and Windows build, then back up GTA V settings and mod folders. Once done, download the specific DirectX 12 runtime and the verified Enhanced DirectX 12 files for the Only Way mod. Make sure files match your game version. This prevents corrupt installs and gives you a clean rollback if anything fails. You now place files into the game folder and run installers with administrator rights so permissions don't block writes. Replace target DLLs and copy shader packs into the correct subfolders and let the installer add dependencies. Once installed, open the mod config to enable DirectX 12, set RAM and shader cache limits to match your GPU, and disable conflicting overlays. These precise edits control crashes and ensure the enhanced renderer initializes correctly. You finish by launching the game with the DX12 launch flag and watch the log for shader compile or device creation errors so you can act quickly. If it crashes, revert a single change and test again instead of undoing everything. This isolates the cause. Make sure drivers are current, and if files fail to load, run System File Checker and disk checks to repair corruption. This one targeted troubleshooting step often resolves stubborn direct.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.